This is question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Find common factors of 20 and 28. So first of all we have to find the factors of 20 and 28. For finding the factors of 20, divide 20 by 1, then we will get 20. Then 20 divided by 2, then it is 10. When we divide 20 by 3, no, it is not divisible by 3, so we will not divide it by 3. Then 20 is divisible by 4 and we will get 5. Now here you can see between 4 and 5 there is no number, so we will not find more. So all these are the factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factors. And here 28, now we will divide it by 1, then we will get 28. 28 divided by 2, then we will get 14. Then 28 divided by 3, by 3 it is not divisible, so we will divide it by 4, then we will get 7. Now 28 is not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6, and it is divisible by 7. 7 is already here. Means between 4 and 7 there is only 5 and 6, and it is not divisible by 5 and 6. So these are the factors 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So we will write here factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, and factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now we will find common. You can see 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common and no other is common. So common factors are, we can write CF. CF means common factor. These are 1, 2 and 4. Now at second part there is 15 and 25. Now we will find the factors of 15. 15 divided by 1, then we will get 15. 15 divided by 2, it is not possible to divide it by 2 because it is not divisible by 2. Then we will divide it by 3, then we will get 5. Between 3 and 5 there is 4, and by 4 15 is not divisible, so these are the factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now we will find the factors of 25. 25 divided by 1 is 25. Then 25 divided by 2, no, it is not possible to divide it by 2. 25 divided by 3, no, it is not divisible by 3. Then 25 divided by 4, no, it is not divisible by 4. Now we will divide 25 by 5. Then we will get 25 divided by 5, then our answer is 5. Now here you can see 5 and 5, so means no numbers are there, means no factors are there. So the factors are 1, 5 and 25. So we will write here factors of 15. This is 1, 3, 5 and 15, and factors of 25, then it is 1, 5 and 25. Now common factors are 1 and 5. So we can write CF means common factor, it is 1 and 5. Now this is the first C part, 35 and 50. So we will find one by one. First of all by 35, find the factors of 35, then 35 divided by 1. Then we add 35. 35 divided by 1, then answer is 35. Then 35 divided by 2, it is not possible. Divide by 3, no, it is not divisible by 3. Divided by 4, it is not divisible by 4. Now divided by 5. So it is 7. Now 5 and 6, between 6 is there. Between 5 and 7 there is 6, but 6 is not divisible. So factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now we will divide it by, now we will find the factors of 50. First of all, divided by 1, then answer is 50. Then 50 is divisible by 2, then we get 25. Then 50 divisible by 3, it is not possible. By 4, it is not possible. So we will divide it by 5. Then it is 10. Now between 5 and 10, you can see 6. No, it is not divisible by 6. Then 7. No, it is not divisible by 7. By 8. No, it is not divisible. Then by 9. No, it is not divisible. And 10 is already there. So these are the factors 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So here we write factors of 35. It is 1, 5, 7 and 35. And factors of 50, it is 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So common factors are 1, 5 and no other. So we will write common factors, then it is 1 and 5. Now come on the next question. It is 56 and 120. So we will find 56 divided by 1, then we get 56. Then 56 divided by 2, then we get 28. Then 56 divided by 3, no, it is not divisible by 3, then we will divide by 4. Then we get 14. Then 56 divided by 5, no, it is not divisible. By 6, it is not divisible. By 7, we will get 8. Now 7 and 8, there is no number, so we will these are the factors 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now find the factors of 120. Divided by 1 first, then we get 120. Then divided by 2, we will get 60. Then divided by 3, we will get 40. Then divided by 4, we will get 30. Then divided by 5, we will get 24. Then divided by 6, we will get 20. Then divided by 8, we will get 15. Then divided by 10, we will get 12. Because 7, it is not divisible. By 9, it is not divisible. By 11, it is also not divisible. So these are the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. So many factors are there. So we will write factors of 56. It is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Then factors of 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and then 12, 15, 20 and 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. Now here we will find common. You can see 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common, 8 is also common, then no other is common here. So common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8.